Hey guys, it's Chris from 509 BMX Restoration. And today I just wanted to show you guys our next project for a customer. We're doing an Auburn. I really been waiting for somebody to want to do an Auburn. The only part that sucks is this is mine. So I'm selling this to the customer. So he's got an Auburn. These are getting hard to find. You're not just going to go out and grab one too easy. Uh, so yeah, we're going to strip this down, take the decals off, polish it up as nice as we can. We're going to take the rear link triangle off. I'm going to run this to powder coat, and we're going to do a super cool purple on it. I mean, it's going to be really cool, dude. It's not going to be your basic purple that everyone else is doing on their Auburns. This is going to stand out. And obviously, we're going to do some really cool Auburn parts. You know, the perp. We got a NOS GT overdrive chainring, purple. Impossible to find. I got hold of the customer and I was like, I think we should grab this, and we did. That's really going to be the front stage piece on this bike. I think it's super important part. It's really going to set it off. And then, yeah, we'll do some other nice purple parts. Ano, you know. It's going to be really trick. We already have these. These were made by Powers. We got TNT hoops, purple nipples, and we got TNT hubs with purple driver, a Theory rattlesnake. Lots of engagement. We got some purple axle nuts to top it off. Just clean and classy. Dude, these are going to look really good, dude. Really good. I'm really going to have a hard time letting this one get out of here. This is the kind of stuff I really love to build. Anything 90s race bike, I'm all about. So stay tuned. You're going to be seeing a lot of this here coming up